make a square, okay, where length is 6 centimeter. Make a square, everyone make a square where length is 6 centimeter. Make a square where length is 6 centimeter.
Sir, every area? Yeah, that's obvious.
Make a square. Very good, Parul. You have made a square where length is 6 centimeter.
Sir.
Okay. Navi has also done. Siddhant has also done. Made a square with length of 6 centimeter. Okay. Now find out the perimeter of that square. Perimeter
Sir,
outside
6
boundary.
centimeter. 12, sir. 12 plus 12, 24. 24, sir.
Okay.
12 plus 12,
centimeter.
24.
Like,
sir, 90 degrees, sir.
oh yeah. So in complementary angle, two angles were making 90 degree. In supplementary angle, two angles together will make 180 degree.
Okay, sir.
So can you make supplementary angle? Two angles will together make 180 degree.
The first 180.
Sir, can you?
Yeah. Rishit has already made two angles together makes 180 degree. So Rishit, can you say what are your angles? One angle, tell me the approximate how much it must be.
Sir, one is 180 and one is 90.
No. In your case, one is 90, another is also 90. Together it is 180.
No, so that plus
Almost, yeah. Siddhipriya is almost one is 90, another is 90. Together it is 180.
180, sir.
9. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
this one is called a ray.
Yeah, very good. How did you know? Why is it called ray?
Because it starts from one side and goes endless.
Endless. Arrowhead means,
And this is a segment.
30, sir.
yeah. Or,
Okay. Sir, this.
very good, Shashwat. 30. 30. So you have to keep arranging the thing. Very good, Aman.
Sir.
Siddhant has also done. Very good. Parul, you have to make 30.
This is
Very good, Parul. So everybody has done.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah, because J cannot be divided into two equal parts. So Parul, can J be divided into two equal parts?
No, sir.
No, sir. So it's a asymmetrical. Board, what is that shape? How many sides are there?
8 sides.
8 sides. So what is this? What we can call this shape as?
Octagon.
Octagon. And like you have done, we can divide it into like from center. So you can divide like this. This is two equal parts. We can
Sir, I'm done.
We can also divide it like this.
Sir, I'm done.
Show me.
Okay. Sir, but I'm not able to see you, sir.
Oh, you are seeing the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll close the whiteboard. Okay.
Yeah,
now
now it's okay.
yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, that is line of symmetry.
Line. Is it okay, sir?
You can also divide in that way also. Yeah, there are two way. Yeah. See, the Priya has divided into another way. She has divided it horizontally.